Hi guys, how you doing? Jarvis here. So, 3 years in the making. Well, actually, it's it's actually 2.5 years on the shelf and 6 months over 3 years in the making. As you all know from the updates and the videos that I've shared with you, it's been a little bit of an ordeal. What with one thing and t'other. Yeah, it's as finished as I wanted to do it. The only thing that needs to be done is the stand. I need a decent sized block of wood for that, I think. But as it is, all the sanding, filling, sanding, paint going wrong, this all worked out relatively well. The windows are all in. We got the decals all in, and they went on pretty well. They're the only thing that normally decals really do mess me up. I'm not very good at them, but these went on very well. No major problems, as you can see. They're NASA ones. I've got those from a decal sheet from years ago, which I've still had over. Some of the ones, the decals for the doors here, and also for some of the registration marks over there and stuff. They're from a Boeing 747, which I never made, but hung on to the decals, of course. Yeah, it's very unusual. It's very large, as you can see. It's got the 3 engines. I've actually put some what's this called? This plumber's tape, the silver metal tape around it, and also added a bit of Molotov chrome to it as well. It's all glossy and lossy. As I say, you could spend a lot more time on this, but I'm not. Originally, this engine in the middle here, that was at the end here at the back, but I thought it was all very cramped back there. So, and also it was pointing in the upwards direction, which was weird. So I took it off and moved it forward, and then filled this part in where the engine was. Then we got some of these. These are the, I keep calling them ailerons, but rudders. Is that what they are? Okay. They're from a resin kit, which I didn't make, but I just used the wings for it. It was a 1/72nd, what was it, a Supermarine Swift, I think, I can't remember now. And we put those on. Also, we put them on at a rakish angle. So they went on because it just looks nicer like that, and it gives the engine in the middle a little bit more space. I think it looks okay. We've got these wings at the front here. They're from the exactly same kit as the rudders there. They were the ailerons. Yeah, I got the name right, I think. And I put them there instead. And we just, yeah. Oh, we got another little winglet there as well, just as a separator. So, and there we are. At the end of this video, there'll be just a little video showing it in better detail and better lit, because I just forgotten to put the light on here. Okay, so I'm glad it's out of the way. All I have to do now is get a stand fixed up for it, and it'll be fine, honestly. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. As I say, I was very pleased with the decals, because they never go on well with me, I'll tell you. They never go on well with me. But there we go. And there we go. So hang on for the little video at the end, and thank you very much for watching these. It's the I don't know what to call it now. I've been calling it the Mystery X-Plane, because that's what it is. It's a mystery. Somebody made this out of wood in the 60s or 70s or something for some reason, or maybe for their own hobby, or maybe it was a commercial thing, I don't know. And it was in terrible nick when I got hold of it, and it got worse because I dropped it. So there we go. Nice. It was hard work. It was all the sanding was hard work. Filling again, and sanding and filling and sanding and filling and sanding and filling and sanding and filling and sanding, 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 filling and sanding. You get the idea. All right then. Thanks for watching.